Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Beignet in Jailbreak. This vehicle is a true gem, highly coveted by players for its sleek design and exceptional in-game performance. It stands out with its unique look and impressive speed, making it a favorite among collectors and racers alike. Understanding its history and current availability is key to adding it to your collection. The Beignet was initially introduced as a prestigious reward for dedicated players. It was the grand prize for reaching level 10 in Season 6, titled Race to the Top. This made it a challenging but rewarding vehicle to acquire at the time. However, it is important to note that the Beignet is now permanently unobtainable through regular gameplay, making it a limited item. Since the Beignet is no longer available through seasonal rewards, the only way to get your hands on it now is through player-to-player trading. This means you'll need to engage with the Jailbreak trading community. Be aware that its value is quite high, currently sitting around 39 million in-game cash, reflecting its rarity and desirability among collectors. Beyond its rarity, the Beignet is a fantastic vehicle to drive. It offers a top speed of around 305 miles per hour, coupled with excellent handling and acceleration, making it a strong contender in races. With 75 horsepower and a quick repair time of 7.5 seconds, it's both fast and durable. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.